Wow, look at these dancers here. Oh my goodness. Well, they're both pretty much on the rhythm. I don't know, one's kind of hogging the whole floor. He looks like he's having convulsions or something. One's so... He's gonna run out of gas. His hat's falling off. He's got no hair up there anymore. Gotta feel lighter with that haircut, though.
Gotta do funny. Ready? Do the Russian.
They're pretty good, actually. You guys could be on American Bandstand.
Big Daddy's running out of
Yeah, he's running out of air. I can hear. All right, that's it. Oh my gosh.